Okay, so I'm gonna make a smoothie for my son and I. He just got out of school. It's a nice little afternoon snack, and instead of going to Jamba Juice, just make it here. Jamba Juice and the smoothie places all use Blendtec, so we're gonna throw in a couple oranges. Now, I was telling my wife if I could, I would make smoothies or go to Jamba Juice every day, and if I did, narratively speaking, we are saving $1,000 a month. Because if you add it up, like, you know, $8. Oh, these are mangoes, by the way. Strawberry, mango, orange. If I were to go to Jamba Juice every day and have 2 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon, that's like $32 times every day. Oh, that would be nice. Why isn't this opening? Oh my gosh. There we go. Okay. Pineapples. So like $8 for one smoothie times, you know, 4 of them, because, you know, my son and I, we'd both be having one. Here's some ice. That's like $32 a day times, you know, let's just say 5 days a week. That's what? $150, $160 a week times 4, what's 100? So that's like $600 a month. Yeah, so we're saving a grip of money. Oh, you need water. Let's add some water. I like to just sort of wing it here. All right, that should be good. Let's cover the lid and turn it on. So yeah, I just saved us $600 a month. And if you go more than that, you know, weekends too, you're pushing $1,000 a month. So isn't that great? We're saving a grip of money by making these at home. Oh, anyways. Give this to your kids. This is so tasty. Hey, Devin, stop playing Fortnite and come drink your smoothie.